Yeah, it's probably not going to be the greatest angle, but maybe we could get a shot when you finished using your iPhone.
Okay.
Okay, so you've got it at this size, yeah?
It's hard to get it in there without touching anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you want to make sure that the outputs are lined up with the output tray, yeah?
Sorry.
Um, yeah, is it all lined up? It's all coming through, is it? There's nothing
It seemed
obstructing.
to.
Yeah. So you want to try and find a screw there which is almost aligned up. You find one that's almost aligned up.
They're all lined up
They're all
actually.
lined up because mine was a bit resistant when I pushed mine in, so yours is just
I
probably
push it through.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then I would probably start at the as you're looking at it, the top right, so that it's the one that pushes into the front.
The top right froze up for a second.
Yeah. If you take the outputs to be left hand side,
Uh huh.
yeah, the top left hand side, and the top right is on the other corner. Yeah.
So you want me to put that one in first?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because that's probably going to be the hardest. Once that one's in, then the rest should be easy enough. Now, you have to be really careful as you're putting these screws in not to drop them. Is your
Okay.
screwdriver magnetic, is it?
Might be. I'm not sure.
Then what I would do then is to put them in and use your fingers to tighten them, and then use a screwdriver to finish off, which you're
Okay.
doing anyway. Yeah. You can tell the man to shut up when you want to.
I don't think that's a good idea.
I don't know.
Get me in trouble.
You know, yeah. You are being recorded. You know that, don't you?
I know that.
Okay.
Yeah, an edit button. It won't go in right.
Where do you mean we're going? Okay,
I
don't
mean,
worry.
the screw's going in crooked, so.
Um, well, just don't worry too much. As long as it's got in and it's got a bit of thread, then I do other screws, and as you tighten each one, then the position should get better. You follow me?
Yeah. Some of these are really hard to reach.
Yeah, I didn't like the one in the middle. It's a prime position to drop one.
Okay, there's a lot of them.
Yeah, well, there's only 9. Are you doing them row by row, column by column? Or are you doing them around?
Column.
Column by column, alright.
Yeah. Is that okay?
So you're doing the right edge first, then, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably sensible.
Do the right edge first, which all lined up pretty well. Starting to go in pretty well now. So, doing a middle one. My fingers are so shaky. This is where it's an advantage to have small fingers, though. Just get right in there.
You're saying my fingers are small? No, probably not
Huh.
actually, no.
I'm saying my fingers are small, and it's easier probably for me to get in there. Now this one in the top left corner, I'm not sure I can get in there.
Why not?
Some stuff around it.
Oh, yeah. It's tricky. Top left hand corner. Or right to the. Okay. Where the fans are, yeah?
Right. Yeah.
But you've got that big screwdriver, haven't you?
Yeah.
But you're doing everything just your finger tighten.
At the moment, just finger tighten. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm on the last row. I'm only just getting a couple.
So I'm jealous your bench chest just went straight away.
Aw, what happened to yours?
Hey, or you obviously haven't seen the whole thing, my series. I think there's 2 hours of error checking.
Oh, that was that night. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And I sent everything back the following day.
What was wrong with it? Just bad equipment?
Don't know. It could have been me placing the RAM. Could have been me placing the RAM, or it could have been the RAM, because I actually sent the motherboard, the RAM, and the chip back.
These are all coming in pretty low. One was slightly crooked. Had to adjust it. So. Well, almost done.
Yeah, it's good. It's a shame we can't get a better angle to actually see the motherboard, but never mind. How are we doing for time?
I have 3 more.
Still recording, so.
Okay. I'm so nervous.
Excuse me. My tea's repeating.
This one I can't see very well. Dial in.
Okay. Okay, I think we can probably. Well, is it secure? Does it feel secure? So, and so it's actually. Well, I don't know whether you should move it yet. Because you're going to wire stuff up now, and it's probably better the position it is. But what
Okay.
would be nice is just to take a quick video of what you've got there.
Sure.
Because what I think you should do is to start wiring up the umbilicals from the front of the case to the motherboard. Because those are probably the first wires that need to be done.
Okay.
So that'd be like the HD audio, the USB 2, and have you got a USB 3 as well? You must have USB 3.
I'm not sure. This. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Forgot you liked it on landscape.
Well, can have both now.
I don't have to send them.
No, I do. I'm going to decide on how I'm going to edit it then.
How close do you want?
Pretty close.
So what do you want a picture of?
Well, you could give me a picture as well of the whole thing. It just needs to have the motherboard in, and it just in position really in the case. Probably not that interesting, but well, it'd be good as well because we have to look at where all the wiring goes. So.
So it's a little shaky. It's kind of dark. I'm not sure
It's gonna work. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop this video now. Anyway.